What's up, my people? How is everyone doing, guys? Bless upon yourself and thing. Hit that like button and subscribe right away, people. Because I'm going to talk of some truth today. Some want to leave on a thought down below, guys. Listen me carefully, people. You see, T-Girl is a troublemaker on social media. People, see she sell t-shirt there, and we know say a planka boss name she use for sell shirt. For those who don't know, my new subscribers, the new name that T-Girl is calling Dana is Bertha. She changed it from Dana or Miss Dana, where you want to call it, and I call her Bertha now because she know the sewing is incoming. When Tina and I make a sale and her business go down, she blame Dana. Every little thing at all, she blame Dana. She blame Dana, say Dana attack her business. She blame the planketeer and them. She blame anybody that is associated with Dana. And I'm saying to myself, this lady is so delusional. She's so fool. She's on a different level. She's on a different planet. She's seeing things. She's hearing voice in her head. Every little thing at all Dana do, you know, it affects her. Because I hear her live in the people and she talk the things them, you know. And she talk about this particular person cause my business so have issues and all them things. And I'm saying, what? You don't say Dana have gang and gunman at Jamaica. And you see, you know, you twist it around now. And you make it look like say Dana has send people come to your workplace. And I send people come to your yard. And I spy upon you. And I watch you. And I'm saying, boy, why them people so delusional? Why them people so fool? T-Girl, do better than that. We know say you use Dana for sell your t-shirt them. That's all you do. Use people for bust your business. You must can bust your business for yourself without calling people name. You see me? Because people are not fool. People have sense and people know what go on. Stop blaming the woman for your downfall. I never cheat push a thing up in your thing and go over so and make Uncle Sam catch you out and thing. And you have to come back at your place where you're there. You see me? And up to that day till now, you live a dirty life until now you still live the same way. You see me? And then you want to take a sip on the woman. You see me? I mean say, yo, I want to that woman here. She mad or what? She have a problem or what? The woman they far from you and enjoy for your life in America. Where you probably say she would never come. And you compare your life. I talk about the lady. You see me? Like you can't fool nobody. Because people, I'm telling you this. You see, every time T-Girl come on her life, she have something about Dana. But she not say it in a Dana way. She use the word Bertha and talk up the things them. I mean say, yo, come on. What do you do to you? Every little thing at all, you blame the lady for. How can you blame the woman for your downfall when are you on social media mash up your own self? Are you on social media make a fool yourself? Are you on social media and a freak out yourself? Freak out yourself and be a big clown and you want to come blame people for your downfall because you know see your business now grow. You know see you're dirty, you're stagnant and bad mind. That's why your business now grow. And they want to put it on somebody else and blame somebody else like them are the reason why. Why people like only have to exist on this earth here? Come on, man. Talk truth, people. Why they want to blame somebody who don't see you? The lady don't see you, the lady don't call to you, and the lady don't want to know you because the lady knows that you're a very strange person, he's a very weird person, and certain things you will get to your head and they will come out and blame people. Regularly do them things. If you blame the woman for your downfall, you can't blame Dana for your downfall. I never done that tell you can push thing up in your thing and go over so. You see me? I never done that tell you if you go deal with all kind of man over the place and thing back then and wreck your life. And I done that tell you if make you keep them eat you. You're not upon the bigger picture, you know. You're not upon the facts that you have a family going on right now. We're about to mash up. You see me? It's almost like it's a pipe or so bust. Your father pray for your money and other people are pray as well too. And I'm saying, if you're a big woman, we have some kind of sense in some way. Why not decide to change your ways and be a different person to change, to try and save certain things about you? Because we look upon things, you know, and we start to analyze the race. So this woman here been calling Dana name for so many years, out her mouth, and blaming Dana. Remember, you know, if you and Dana have something, I'm just speaking this, guys, listen to me. If you and Dana have something, why would Dana need to send somebody come to you and then involved in the wrongs like that in terms of no warmonger and them thing there. But that's how Dana just talks and something when I love actually bad. She have a weak side to her. Every little thing at all, the woman for every little thing at all, Dana this. Like you dream, Dana, you sleep, Dana in your mind and thing. Come on, man. Give the woman a chance to breathe. Give the woman a chance to live her life, man. Without you calling her and I call the woman Bertha. Like you think it's funny. That's what I'm always saying, you see that woman here, nowadays now, them craving for success and they do anything at all for success. And this is what T-Girl is doing. This is how she make her cake themselves. This is how her t-shirt themselves by talking about Planka Boss. And then you see one or two people who know like that will come over there and probably donate a thing to her or something and go buy one or two t-shirt for her. I'm saying, boy, oh boy, this is what the world gone to right now. I could never this the world gone to right now, people. So look watch and see what I go on there, people, because you see right now. What about knowing the people? You have to just know what we are doing now. You see me? Because you see them people that would draw people in the mix up. Because me I say if you're a big woman like you, where I say you sell cake, you should not be nobody for your downfall. Look for your past. You see me? Determine if the man say your past determine your future. Look for how you change about yourself. Nothing really. You are the same person, you have on the same clothes, you have the same mindset. So you expect things to get better. And you have to blame somebody who not see you. You have to blame somebody who never talk about you and again a highlight. You see me? I mean I say, yo, why them woman here have so fool? Why you want have so dumb? Why you want to just in the dark and not see the light? You not see what go on. You not realize that yo, time against you and you keep on bringing down your own self by all your acting and your things you're doing on social media. And people are look upon you, them are watch you. You see me? Some of them not support you, some of them do support you because them not support them like that. And all you do is just develop some people in them art for this Dana for no reason at all. You see me? I'm saying it worth it. It's not worth it because the time you waste on Dana is just sort out your life. But the reason your life now move from point A to point B is that because you spend so many times on social media talking about people who don't believe in you. You see me? When you should get some people who believe in you and be a better person. But no, you see me? It's not easy. It's not easy to say, but trust me, you are just like the others. You see me? And you not change your ways them. So you expect I get the same. You expect I get any change, same result, same behavior pattern and thing. You see me? But I say, guys, you see in life, when things not go right for you, you have to make a change. You have to make sure you love yourself. You can't put certain things in perspective. You have to just go out there and get to your dreams and get to your goals. But Tina, look like she use Dana as a means for sell t-shirt. See me? Stop calling the woman Bertha. Because people have taken my figure out and see who you talk to. See me? But you stagnant, bad. And you can't afford nobody because people have sense. People them know what go on. See me? And the people them know say you have a desperation thing about you. You're desperate for content. You're desperate for attention. See me? And you're desperate for set Dana hurt your business. Come on, man. And they have the one or two followers them over there. They might watch and they might chat and they're quiet. See me? But I say go here, people. That's about it, yeah, guys. You gotta leave share, make sure you go one side and sort out for your life because in idea, God not sleep, you see me? And if this is how she wants sell for your brand and sell for your business to make money, it's backfire back on her thing because it's something. You have to do the right thing in order if you want success. When you do the wrong thing, it tends to backfire back on you. See me? But if she decides, say, yo, she want to call Dana name for sell a cake or sell a shirt and so, remember, it not going to be positive for she and the long run people. But let's put yourself there, guys. And thanks to those who like the video, thanks to those who leave their thought in the comment section, people. You know, keep on, send the support, send the love to the channel. Best upon yourself.